Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant home decor DIYs using inexpensive items like these curved glass photo frames that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. These frames are all glass, super high quality, and I plan on using several of these around my home as is. I picked up a few extras for DIY projects, and here's how I use them. For idea number one, I'm only using the glass of the photo frame. I used a strong adhesive to glue two of the glass frames together. For the bottom, I'm using a Dollar Tree DIY acrylic board. I chose acrylic because I wanted the bottom to be as close to glass as possible, but there are much easier options like a Dollar Tree clear chopping mat. You can use foam board, cardboard. The possibilities are endless. I purchased this plastic and acrylic cutter from Home Depot for around $5. I was able to cleanly break one side of the acrylic board off the side of my counter. The smaller side was a bit more difficult to break, so I ended up using some gardening shears. In hindsight, I think I would have gotten better results by placing the glass towards the center of the acrylic board instead. I used a Dollar Tree sanding block to smooth my edges, and I think it turned out pretty good. Next, I added Dollar Tree nail art tape to the glass. To complete the project, I added Dollar Tree moss and florals, and here's how idea number one turned out. For idea number two, we're using more of the glass frames. I used more of the strong adhesive to glue the four glass frames together. 2 hours later, I glued the glass on top of a 10-inch mirror. An 11-inch mirror would have worked much better, but I wanted to use what I already had at home. Next, I added Dollar Tree snowflake ornaments. To the inside, I added an LED candle, gold ornaments, and LED wire lights, all from Dollar Tree. I kept this design super simple, but you could also add things like flowers, tinsel, or figurines to make a beautiful Christmas centerpiece. And here's how idea number two turned out. A few days later, I was excited to find a 10-inch Lazy Susan at my local Dollar Tree, and I think adding this definitely enhanced the look of my centerpiece. For idea number 3, I'm using 2 more of the frames. This design was super simple. I simply glued 2 of the glass frames together and I covered up the glue line with rhinestones that I already had at home. This turned out to be a super cute trinket tray, but it could also be customized and used for a number of different purposes. For idea number 4, I'm using these as actual photo frames, but with a twist. As you can see, I repositioned the silver framing to the outside of the glass. Next, I added Dollar Tree disco towels to the design. I then glued the glass to the front of a different Dollar Tree 4x6 photo frame. I made a total of 4 pieces, and I'll share with you how I added lights and photos to my design in my next video. So far, I really love how these projects are turning out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. So far, which is your favorite? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.